Breakfast tacos with bacon and spinach for weight loss. Starting your day with a nutritious breakfast is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and overall well-being. Our breakfast tacos with bacon and spinach are delicious and packed with nutrients that support weight loss and provide sustained energy throughout the day. This hearty meal is a perfect combination of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to shed a few pounds while enjoying breakfast. Nutritional benefits of breakfast tacos. Bacon and spinach, the perfect pair. Often perceived as indulgent, bacon can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. It is a good source of protein, which helps keep you full and supports muscle maintenance. On the other hand, spinach is a superfood rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. Combining bacon and spinach provides a balanced blend of protein and essential nutrients. Whole wheat tortillas, a healthy base. Choosing whole wheat tortillas over refined flour increases your meal's fiber content, aiding digestion and promoting satiety. Fiber slows digestion, keeping you full longer and helping regulate blood sugar levels. Ingredients. To prepare these delicious breakfast tacos, you will need 4 slices of bacon, chopped. 2 cups fresh spinach, washed and chopped. 4 large eggs. 1/4 cup skim milk. 1/2 cup diced tomatoes. 1/4 cup chopped onion. 1/2 cup shredded low-fat cheddar cheese. 4 whole wheat tortillas. Salt and pepper to taste. Fresh cilantro and lime wedges for garnish. Step-by-step preparation. Cooking the bacon and spinach. Start by heating a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add the chopped bacon and cook until crispy. Remove the bacon from the skillet and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess fat. In the same skillet, add the chopped spinach and cook for about 2–3 minutes until it is wilted. Remove from heat and set aside. Preparing the egg mixture. Whisk together the eggs, skim milk, salt, and pepper in a bowl. The milk makes the eggs fluffier and adds a bit of extra protein without additional fat. Pour the egg mixture into the skillet and cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally, until the eggs are scrambled and cooked. Assembling the tacos. Warm the whole wheat tortillas in a separate skillet or microwave for a few seconds until pliable. Place a portion of scrambled eggs on each tortilla, followed by a sprinkle of cooked bacon and spinach. Top with diced tomatoes, chopped onion, and shredded low-fat cheddar cheese. Health benefits of each ingredient. Eggs, a powerhouse of protein. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods you can eat. They are an excellent source of high-quality protein essential for muscle repair and growth. Additionally, eggs contain essential nutrients like vitamin D, B6, B12, and selenium. Spinach, nutrient-dense superfood. Spinach is low in calories but high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It provides iron, which is crucial for oxygen transport in the blood, and vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Bacon, protein and flavor. While bacon is often considered unhealthy due to its fat content, it can be enjoyed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Bacon adds flavor and provides protein, helping to satisfy you and reducing cravings later in the day. Whole wheat tortillas, fiber and nutrients. Whole wheat tortillas are a healthier alternative to refined flour tortillas. They contain more fiber, aid digestion, and provide essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. Tomatoes and onions, freshness and antioxidants. Tomatoes and onions add flavor and texture to your tacos and provide antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, while onions offer vitamin C, B vitamins, and potassium. Breakfast tacos with bacon and spinach are a delightful way to start your day healthy. This meal combines the richness of bacon with the freshness of spinach, all wrapped in a fiber-rich whole wheat tortilla. Following our recipe and incorporating the tips provided, you can enjoy a nutritious, satisfying breakfast supporting your weight loss goals.